In the heart of Igbo cosmology, where the veil between the living and the afterlife thins, stands Ekwensu. This sacred space is a realm of profound mystery and spiritual significance, where the boundaries of reality blur and the spirits of ancestors whisper through the winds. He is a deity of immense power, tasked with the weighty responsibility of guarding the threshold between worlds. Ekwensu is not merely a gatekeeper, but a formidable force, ensuring that the balance between the living and the dead is maintained with unwavering vigilance. Not a benevolent guide nor a fearsome reaper, Ekwensu embodies a complex duality, a stern judge yet a necessary force in the grand tapestry of existence. His role is to weigh the hearts of men, to discern their true nature, and to ensure that justice is served in both realms. He stands as a testament to the Igbo belief in accountability, where one's deeds in the mortal realm hold profound consequences in the afterlife. The stories and teachings passed down through generations emphasize the importance of living a life of integrity and honor. Ekwensu's presence serves as a constant reminder that life is a precious gift, one to be lived with purpose and respect for the delicate balance of the universe. His watchful eyes remind the Igbo people that every action, no matter how small, reverberates through the cosmos, shaping the destiny of both the living and the dead. Ekwensu is often depicted as a formidable figure, adorned with symbols of judgment and transition. He is not swayed by wealth, status, or empty promises. His concern lies solely with the truth etched into the soul of each individual who stands before him. He embodies the principle of consequence, a force that ensures the cosmic order is maintained. Ekwensu's presence is a potent reminder that every action, every choice, contributes to the fabric of one's being. When an individual's earthly journey reaches its end, their spirit finds its way to Ekwensu. He holds a set of scales, symbolic of the delicate balance between good and evil, right and wrong. It is here that the life lived is carefully measured. Acts of kindness, compassion, and adherence to Igbo law tip the scales towards a favorable outcome. Deception, cruelty, and disregard for communal harmony weigh heavily against the soul. Ekwensu observes, his judgment unwavering as the scales reveal the truth of a life lived. Section 4. The price of transgression, lost in the in-between. Those deemed worthy by Ekwensu, the deity of fate and destiny, are granted passage into the afterlife, a sacred realm where ancestors reside in eternal peace and harmony. But for those whose lives have been marred by wickedness, deceit, and betrayal, a different, more harrowing fate awaits them. Denied entry into the revered ancestral realm, they become trapped in the in-between, a liminal space shrouded in mist and uncertainty. This is not a place of punishment or torment, but rather a realm of deep reflection and introspection. It is an opportunity for the soul to confront its shortcomings, face its inner demons, and seek atonement for past misdeeds and transgressions. Only through genuine remorse, heartfelt repentance, and a steadfast commitment to change, can they hope to tip the scales in their favor and earn their rightful place among their ancestors, basking in the light of redemption. Section 5. Ekwensu's enduring legacy, a catalyst for reflection. Ekwensu's role in Igbo cosmology extends far beyond that of a mere gatekeeper. He is a complex figure, embodying both the challenges and the opportunities that life presents. His presence in the spiritual realm serves as a constant reminder of the duality of existence, where good and evil, light and dark coexist and shape the human experience. He stands as a symbol of introspection, urging individuals to examine their lives and strive for balance. Through contemplation and self-awareness, Ekwensu encourages people to confront their inner demons and seek harmony within themselves and their communities. His presence is a reminder that death is not an escape from the consequences of one's actions. The legacy of one's deeds, both good and bad, continues to resonate within the community, influencing future generations and shaping the collective memory of the people. Ekwensu's legacy is woven into the fabric of Igbo society, encouraging personal growth and a commitment to living a life worthy of admiration. His influence can be seen in the values upheld by the community, such as integrity, resilience, and the pursuit of wisdom. He is a testament to the enduring power of belief and the profound impact it has on shaping a culture's values and guiding its people towards a more just and fulfilling existence. Ekwensu's story is a powerful reminder of the importance of reflection, growth, and the continuous journey towards self-improvement and communal harmony.